Whether it's for your off-road ATV, UTV, boat, car, or truck, ProMaxx offers an impressive line of LED lighting and quality aftermarket accessories. Just because the sun goes down doesn't mean your day is over. ProMaxx is here to help you get the job done with the superior illumination of the LED floodlights. Upgrade your vehicle and increase your productivity with 30,000 hours of bright light with the ProMaxx 3x3 LED floodlights. Made with a high-strength polycarbonate lens and a lightweight die-cast aluminum housing with heat sink extrusion, these LEDs are fully protected from dust with an IP67 water resistance rating that can be submerged in up to 3 feet of water. And it's all backed with our 1-year warranty. You can add even more illumination with a number of styles to choose from: dual or single row, spot or flood, curved or straight. And you have a variety of lengths to choose from the 3x3 blocks you see here to the straight or curved light bars that range from 6 inches to 54 inches long. With these ProMaxx 3x3 LED floodlight cubes, the mounting options are endless. Included is a steel mounting bracket you can mount to nearly anything and everything. And with 20 watts of floodlight power, we'll keep your path bright so you'll never be left in the dark again. ProMaxx Automotive offers quality aftermarket accessories at great prices. If you like what you've seen here today and want more, then visit us at ProMaxxAuto.com. For quality, affordability, and functionality, it's ProMaxx.